Kyrie versus Carl Casey. In-game IQ.
Carl.
Mentality. Champion pool. Clutch factor.
Carl.
Aura.
Carl.
Handsomeness.
Carl.
Trash talk.
Carl.
Goat status.
Carl.
Gaganap kaso lang namatay pa rin ni Sanford pero ang hindi namamatay.
Technical naman, nakapag-may kalabang ng maraming shield pero yun lang, para makapunta siya sa major objective.
Pero mukhang i-go pa rin siya dito ni Carl Casey. James as well. Nakita ka transform. Nakita kahit sa baka magiging tuloy pa rin nilalamanan ng Arjan dito.
Nangigigil na si Sanford. Stop niya ang may dilim biglang namura. Jamie does a lot of damage coming out from Omega. But Carl and gets chased in. Dancing and dodging. Thorn rolls, he gets avoided. He looks down.
Kali ini percobaan